check this out. Do a home invasion, right? Don't go looking for Buddy. You wait for Buddy to come to you. Because you don't know how many Buddy got. You don't know how many buddies they are. If you go looking for Buddy, he may know where you at. But you don't know where he's at. That's why you wait for Buddy. Yeah. You get down behind, find you some cover, dial 911. Hopefully your alarm system already kicked in. And you wait on Buddy. You hold that position till the po-po comes. It don't matter what you use. As long as you stay fixed, don't go looking for Buddy. I am First on DK. Stay ready to keep him getting ready.